welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I stay organized. I am not the most organized person there is. Honestly, I'm not, okay? Especially being a mom, your brain is like all over the place. You have to think about yourself and however many more kids you have. So for instance, I have two. I gotta think about myself and two other little humans, you know, and also your man, you know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I stay organized. And by organized, I mean like how do I keep up with like appointments, bills, and any other important dates that I may have, like, you know, family or friends birthdays and things like that, you know, important days, you know. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep all of that organized and how I remember and things I do to help me remember. So yeah, here we go. Let's get to the video. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the little bell next to it so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys that I use is a planner. So this is the planner that I use. This was actually given to me by my oldest sister. She's very big on planners. I think she actually gets one like every new year because she's really big on planners. This is, I just recently started getting used to actually using it. After she gave it to me, I thought it would be a good idea to actually help me stay organized. So this is what I use. Okay, so what's really cool about this planner is that it has, for instance, like right now we're in February, so it has the calendar, of course, and then it has like little sections where you can write more detailed stuff. So as you guys can see, I don't have that much stuff written because I'm not, like I said, I'm just now getting into like using a planner. You can see here, this is where I actually like write things that I have important, like something that I have going on that day. For instance, like if I have a photo shoot appointment or like a makeup appointment, like I write it here, and also birthdays. So I mostly like to use my planner for like YouTube purposes. So for instance, if I have a YouTube idea, like a video idea that I would like to film, I like to write it down here. So like basically I would use it for like video ideas and when I would like to post that video and things like that, or when I would like to film a video. So I will write it here to kind of like keep myself organized, because I did for this new year, I did give myself a like a goal that I wanted to start filming and uploading more. So this planner helps me stay organized because I can actually write any videos idea that I may have. I write it down so I don't forget it, and also like by when do I want to film it. So I write it down here, and that helps me stay organized. Another good thing that I like about this planner specifically is that whenever you get to like a new month, it'll have like a cute little saying or something like, oh so lovely. February, it says celebrate every tiny victory, and so on and so on. Just getting into using a planner, but hopefully the more I use it, the better I get at it, because like I said, I sometimes forget to write on the planner and I'm like, oh my god, like I forgot this and that, and then like I start writing in the planner again. So yeah. Okay, so the second thing that I use or do to stay organized, and it's actually the oldest thing that I have done because I've been doing this for quite some time now, is have a board, like a calendar board. And I actually keep this board in the kitchen because of course that's the place that we are always in, is the kitchen. In this calendar, I write basically all the bills that need to be paid, or all the bills that we pay. Not all of them, because most of them are auto pay, but you know, I like to still keep them. I still like to write them down because it's nice to keep up with the bills, make sure that they're getting paid on time and so on, because you never know, you know. That is like the oldest thing that I have been doing so far, is keeping that calendar. And it works really well for us because like I said, I keep it right in the kitchen where I know I'm gonna go every single day and I'm gonna see it every single day. So that's one thing that I like to do to keep myself organized and to actually remember the things that are going on in that day, is by the calendar. And lastly, the last thing that I use to keep myself organized and also remembering important days is actually on my phone. This is actually the most effective thing that I have, or that I do, to help me stay organized and to remember things. Because you have your phone with you every single second of the day, I like to use the reminder app on my iPhone. I don't know if you guys can see there. This is an app that actually comes with the phone, so it's not something that you have to download. I actually started using this app when after I had my second baby, just because I feel like it was hard for me to keep, you know, it was hard for me to remember things. I feel like I really couldn't remember anything, and there were certain things that of course I would need to remember. So I started using the reminder app on my phone. The thing that I like the most about the reminder app on my phone is that it'll pop up on my phone. It will remind me, of course, reminder. Unlike the planner and also the board, I will have to remember to go look at it to see what bill or whose birthday is it that day. This will pop up on my phone and remind me for me, okay? So that's like the thing that I like the most about the reminder app on my phone, and that's why I feel like it's the most effective, because it'll remind me on you know what I'm saying? You know? You set the time that you want the phone to basically remind you of something, so it'll pop up on your phone and remind me. So that's something that I really like, because like I said, I don't have to go look for it, it'll remind me. So this I mostly use literally to remind me anything. It could be like the simplest thing, like if I have a makeup appointment tomorrow, I'll set a reminder like the night before to make sure to pack, or make sure your makeup brushes are clean, you know, the night before. If one of my kids have a doctor's appointment, I'll set 2 reminders. I'll set a reminder the night before to remind me, hey, your kid has a doctor's appointment tomorrow at this time. And then I'll set another reminder like at least 2 hours before the appointment time to remind me as well, hey, you have an appointment at 3 o'clock. So I use the reminder app for certain things like this. Actually, I use the reminder app for a lot of things. You know, you're a mom and you're a working mom. Your mind is all over the place. You have to think a lot. So it's okay to forget things. It is. So the reminder app helps me do a lot of things, because I'll set, you know, a lot of reminders for everything. And also another thing that I like is that once the reminder comes up, it doesn't go away. It stays on your lock screen until you remove it. So until you like delete it, it's not gonna go away. It's gonna stay on your lock screen until you like do it. So that's something I really like about that. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope that everything that I mentioned in this video is helpful to you and helps you stay just a little bit organized in this crazy life that we live. If there is something that you use to help you stay organized, leave it in the comments below and let me know. I'm curious to know, and maybe I can try it out and see if it helps me. So leave it down below in the comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.